What's going on YouTube? Chris back with another video. Today we're going over a tempered glass screen protector for the Google Pixel 3 XL. I chose the Mr. Shields here, 3-pack, picked it up on Amazon for about $8. I did spend my own money on this, so this is going to be my own experience. I want to be able to protect my phone from day one before I ever start using it. I don't want a scratch whatsoever on this thing. Let's go ahead and get right into it and see what we get and actually how the installation goes, and as a result, the overall quality. So like I mentioned, you get 3 screen protectors already built in into the box. Plastic little sleeve here. We get all of your instructions guides. We have your alcohol wipes, your dust remover stickers, a lint-free cloth, things like that, and some guiding stickers as well. And then we have your 3 tempered glass screen protectors. This does not incorporate a black border or white border or anything like that, so you don't have to worry about anything. This is going to be full adhesive. We're going to see how well this sticks, if there's going to be a halo effect around the edges, and things like that. So I'll be right back. I'll get this installed, and I will share with you all the final result. We'll be right back. Alright guys, I am back, and the installation process on this went fairly smoothly. I'm actually quite surprised, and to be honest, I'm actually quite surprised on how well this screen protector fits. Now, there are a few things which is more my mistake than anything else. Now, we can see there is a slight halo effect down here at the bottom, as you can see on both these sides of the speaker, but I think that is mostly due to I installed the screen protector fairly low on the whole overall of the screen. So if we turn on the screen actually itself, we can see there is more of a bezel up here than there is down here. So I think if I maybe move this up by just a half a millimeter or so, I think this halo effect down here would be gone. Now we can see here it is perfectly aligned along the side of the screen, just like that. And there is no halo effect on the sides besides just every now and then, but this, any sort of weird like glue looking stuff will be actually gone after a day or so. You can always also put some pressure and rub back and forth. You can always also use a hairdryer to remove any extra little small bits. For example, maybe just in this little corner right here, I might use the hairdryer, just put some pressure with some heat. But overall, there is no halo effect on any of the sides of the screen. The tempered glass usability is not affected also, just because since you're not having to deal with any rainbow effect in the center, this is completely full adhesive. Sure, it doesn't come up fully to the edge or doesn't have rounded corners, but actually it feels pretty great swiping from the side. It's not harsh, it's not straight or right angled. There is enough of a gap so you can use cases on this, which I'll have to test out in a later video. But overall, for $8, you get 3 tempered glass screen protectors, you get all the accessories. It feels nice, it's glass, obviously the oleophobic coating maybe may not be the best, but so far I think it does the job pretty well. For the price, you get 3, like I mentioned already, through Amazon, and I think this is going to do a very well and a perfect job. I think I might just keep this on here. You're not having to spend $45 or so for a white stone dome screen protector like I have on the Pixel 2 XL, but I think this is going to do just fine in my opinion. It looks great. You actually do have completely the entire OLED panel covered in the glass, as we can see here so there's no missing pixels that aren't covered. If you line it up properly, I suggest keeping the screen on and turning the auto dimming and things like that off, so that way it stays on. You can make sure it gets aligned properly. But overall, I say thumbs up to the Mr. Shield tempered glass screen protector. You saw it right here. I installed it. Unfortunately, there isn't coverage for this huge notch, but I'll give it a pass at this point for $8. If you guys have any questions about the Mr. Shield tempered glass screen protector, let me know in the comments below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care, guys.